Hello. So in this video, I'm going to talk about an Excel function called exact. So usually people don't know much about it and what's the difference between this function as well as the equal to sign that we usually use. Let me just show you. These are the names, the same names that I have mentioned in the first column as well as the second column. But the difference is that in the first column, uh, the first everything is in caps upper school, and in second column the same name is there but it's not in the capital letters. But if you look into the second name, Michael, the M is in the capital and here M is in small. And for Charles, C is in capital, C is in small, and for Justin, both they are J is in capital, right? So if you just use a formula, or if A1 is equal to B1, it means it's true. They are equal. And it's true for all of them. They are equal. But if you look little closely, these are not equal because for this Tony, T is capital, O is capital, and then Y everything is capital. But here everything is not in capital. And for here in Justin, everything is same. For Michael, M is in capital. For Charles, C is in capital. So technically, they may be same, equal, but they are not exact. They are not exactly the same, right? So to see that, we can use the function called exact text1, comma, text2, close a bracket. See, it's not exact. Only Justin is exact. We can see that. So it means that using exact function, we can see if there is any minor difference between two things or two or more things. So this was about the exact function, and to calculate this, we can convert this into 0 and 1, and then we can use the sum function. So we can see that there's only one number that is one text that is exact. So this was about the exact function, and we can use it in different ways depending upon our preferences. Thank you so much for watching.